Hey guys, Jared here, and I got this product to review from the company for this video, and this is a pretty great steam cleaner. This actually heats up to about 230 degrees in 10 seconds flat. So that's great if you're trying to clean something really quickly, and it's really small, so you can actually move this to wherever you need to, and it's really lightweight. I really like the handle on this. It's a pretty ergonomic grip, which is great. The trigger to press it is right here along the side, so you go ahead and press this, push it down, and then let go, and then it automatically keeps going. So I love that because a lot of steam cleaners don't have that lock feature, so you have to constantly press down with your fingers. A pretty long extension cord here, so I'm going to plug this in and we'll take a look and see how we can clean up some of these items. But it does have a bunch of attachments here. You've got your squeegee here that you can use on glass. You can use this on countertops, so you can use this on upholstery as well. You've got the straight cleaner, you've got the bent hook, and you also have a scrub brush too. This actually works really well on grout lines, I found. And then all of these just attach right here onto the hose or onto the steam cleaner itself. All of them have the same mechanism. You just put it on, turn, and then it's locked in place. We're gonna go ahead and steam clean some of this stuff right here. We're gonna steam clean the rug here that we just got because the kids spilled some orange juice on it this morning. So let's take a look at this. Now it does come with a funnel and the measuring cup, so that way you can fill everything up. So go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so to turn this on to use it, you're just going to go ahead and press the button. So we'll start a timer. You can see that it's heating up with that red light. And there it is, 10 seconds. What I like to do is I like to put this attachment on, which is the extension hose. We'll then put the upholstery cleaner with the little fabric sponge here, which has definitely gotten some use already. And this just stretches right over, just like so. And then we'll just steam clean the top of this ottoman here. And this works really well to help sanitize, get rid of any debris, and also to help freshen up the area. And I just like to go back and forth over the area a few times, and you'll see that it will pick up any debris that might be on there. So if you have a home with pets or kids, this is something that would be great. And you can see everything that's come off of there so far. So even though it looks clean, it still has that pet hair and dander that's on there. So it definitely needs to be cleaned every once in a while. So the kids managed to spill some orange juice here, so we're just going to use this to clean this up. And of course, we just got this rug the other day. And then we'll just take a cloth and we'll blot that dry. And as you can see, much better than what it was. So this is how it looked in the end. It looks so nice after being steam cleaned. Definitely freshened up a lot. So I would definitely recommend checking this steamer out.